welcome to our first interview with our property manager. This is Andrea from Harmans Lodge.
Hi, Amanda.
Hi. So I wanted to talk to you about Harmans Lodge because I've seen the photos. I know how beautiful it is. But let's give the viewers an idea of some insider tips about the property. Now, in relation to Harmans Lodge, what makes it special? What's some of the things that make it stand out to guests?
The little extras that we do, providing fresh free-range eggs to our guests, providing lots of coffee pods and little extras for the children, DVDs, that sort of thing. Also, the farm tour is a big hit.
Amazing. And from the photos, you can actually see these amazing hotel-like rooms opening up into a view of the amazing farm stay. It's just incredible. So as a local, what would you suggest for someone staying at Harmans Lodge?
I think the hidden secret here is just down the road, a restaurant called Rustico, which has amazing local produce and does the best degustation lunches. We recommend all our guests to go there.
Awesome. That sounds incredible. I'm sure the guests will not be able to hold themselves back from the Rustico and the Harmans Lodge. Thank you so much for your time, Andrea, today.
No problem. Thank you.